Hello, my good friends. I am back with another sound, and today I am bringing to you sound B. Sound B. Sound B. Now, sound B comes from letter B. Yes, the second letter of the alphabet. B comes from letter B. So let's look at the blends. We have ba, bay, b, be, 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 by, bo, bow, ba, boo, and by. Yes, those are the blends. Now let's form some words from this sound. Even here, some sounds are silent in some words. Okay, so let's look at the words. We have bag, bag, bag. Yes, bag. Then we have bow. The next sound is silent. Then t, boat. The boat which we use for sailing on the lakes or oceans. Then the next one is ball, 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 the ball which we play. Yes. Then the next one is bus, 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 the bus which takes you to school. When you start going to school, you'll be using a bus. Then we have bell, 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 the bell which we ring to tell you that we are changing the time. Then we have bed, 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 where you sleep. Then the next one, bin, bin, bin. Yes, the bin. Now the bin is for putting the rubbish. And the last word we have box, box, box. Yes, the box. So let's look at the sentences. We have the ball is in the bag. The ball is in the bag. Then the next one, take the box in the bus. Take the box in the bus. Then the last sentence for today says, he has a big boat. Yes, he has a big boat. And that's it. Remember to practice these sounds, okay? Yes, you have to practice. So we see you in our next video, and for now we're saying ciao ciao.